searchmcq.com for CITA, DITA, CFS, DFS, CDTP, DDTP and others. Link of the websites in description. First generation of computer were based on use of option A IC, option B microprocessor, option C chips, option D vacuum tube. Answer option D vacuum tube. A compiler means a person who compiles source program. Option B the same thing as a programmer. Option C a program which translates source program into object program. Option D Keypunch operator. Answer option C a program which translates source program into object program. A computer cannot boot if it does not have a option A loader, option B compiler, option C OS, option D assembler. Answer option C OS. A computer consists of a central processing unit, option B a memory, option C input and output unit, option D all of the above. Answer option D all of the above. A computer program that converts assembly language to machine language is option A compiler, option B interpreter, option C assembler, option D comparator. Answer option C assembler. An error in software or hardware is called a bug. What is an alternative computer jargon for it? Option A Leech, option B Squid, option C Slug, option D glitch. Answer option D glitch. World Computer Literacy Day is celebrated on option A 3rd December, option B 2nd December, option C 4th December, option D 5th December. Answer option B 2nd December. Any type of storage that is used for holding information between steps in its processing is option A intermediate storage, option B storage unit, option C CPU, option D primary storage. Answer option A intermediate storage. ASCII stands for American Stable Code for International Interchange. Option B American Standard Case for Institutional Interchange. Option C American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Option D American Standard Code for Interchange Information. Answer American Standard Code for Information Interchange. What is a hard copy? Option A storing information on the hard disk. Option B writing on a hard disk. Option C the printed output document. Option D storing information on the compact disk. Answer option C the printed output document. CAD stands for option A computer aided design, option B computer algorithm for design, option C computer application in design, Option D, all of the above. Answer. Option A, computer aided design. How the display size of a monitor is measured. Option A, diagonally. Option B, vertically. Option C, horizontally. Option D, parallel. Answer. Option A, diagonally. Capacity of 3.5 inch floppy is. Option A, 1.44 MB. Option B, 1.54 MB. Option C, 2 MB. Option D, 1.44 GB. Answer. Option A, 1.44 MB. Binary number system consists of option A, 0 and 1 only. Option B, 0, 1, 0, 1 and 10. Option C, 0 and 2 only. Option D, 1 and 2 only. Answer. Option A, 0 and 1 only.